from more of a rural area, go to that wall. If you're from more of an urban area, go to that wall.
Fellowship is a play about 4 young women who have each won a fellowship at a not-for-profit community organizing organization. And it's set during the summer of 2 of the women's first year. And it's about the sort of experience of working in organizing and about the ways that even when you're sort of trying to organize against really big issues, the way that being human sometimes gets in the way of that. Be that the way that personality gets in the way that ego gets in the way that the desire of success can get in the way of that, and how it splinters not just people, but sometimes movements.
I play Edie. She is one of the new fellows to the fellowship. She's a bit more of a shy, but also very strong-willed and knows what she wants to do in her life. It definitely is very relevant to, I think, the political and social climate of today. For me, I think it brings up a really good point of where everyone has their own story and backgrounds and where they're coming from.
In this play, I play Jess. And Jess is one of the second-year fellows. So we have first and second years fellows. So she's been kind of in the organization for a while. And she really, to her core, is an organizer. I definitely see a lot of myself in Jess. I think she's a very type A kind of personality. She really likes to have everything in order. I also see the passion that I have for what I do in Jess. I think for Jess, she doesn't take it lightheartedly. This is her life. This is what she wants to do in the future. For her, this is her career, and you can really see that through her dialogue.
Do you think my asking you a question is some kind of joke?
I'm playing Noah. He's kind of the leader of this organization. It's created to make a difference in the world, kind of like an activist organization. They plan different actions to protest certain bills that might impact certain communities. In the show, they're protesting a bill on immigration. And how it would negatively impact that community. He's the leader of this organization trying to make a difference.
You're both trying to be really nice about it, right? You're like, we're going to act like she's not there.
Majority of the play is centered around activism, and it's about, a group of people, of young people working together to kind of make sure that this bill doesn't get passed. Not everything is black and white, and then there are some gray areas where you really have to think critically, and you can't just choose a side, or you can't just expect someone to just choose a side for you, that you really have to put in the work yourself, because that's how real change gets made.
Even when good people fail, right? Even when good people make mistakes, it does not make the things they are fighting for, fighting against, any less important.